Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever built a report in Power BI and found yourself frustrated because the columns in your table or matrix just wouldn't look the way you wanted, today's tutorial is just for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to set precise column widths in a Power BI report. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your data look crisp, organized, and professional, so your viewers can scan your tables with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI on your computer. I'm working with a sample matrix here. Yours might look a little different depending on your data, but the basic process is the same. Don't worry if you're brand new to Power BI or if your matrix has tons of columns. The controls are similar for tables and matrices, and the steps we're about to cover will work for either visual type. Once you're inside your report, the first thing you'll want to do is click to select the table or matrix that you want to format. You know you've selected it when you see that faint gray outline around the visual and the control handles pop up. This is important because Power BI's formatting options are specific to whichever visual you currently have active. If you accidentally select something else, say a chart or a different table, the options just won't be there, so make sure you've got the right one highlighted. Next up, look over to the right-hand side at the Visualizations pane. This is where you can control all the details of how your visual appears. You'll see a small paint roller icon labeled Format Your Visual. Go ahead and click that. This brings up all the formatting options for your selected visual, which is honestly where a lot of the Power BI magic happens. Scroll through the formatting options until you find Visuals. Under this section, you want to look for Column Header. This is where you can tweak things like font size, color, and most importantly for us, the column widths. Sometimes these settings are tucked away, so if you don't see them immediately, just expand each section one by one. You'll definitely spot it after a moment. Now find the autosize width toggle. By default, Power BI will automatically adjust your column widths, trying to fit your data as neatly as it can. But let's be honest, sometimes auto-sizing just doesn't get it right. Maybe you have a column with long names that pushes everything else out of whack, or numbers that look squished. So what you want to do here is turn off that auto-size width option. Just flick the slider and you're good. With auto-size turned off, now you're in control. You can adjust the width of your matrix columns by simply clicking and dragging the sides of each column header. It's a little like resizing columns in Excel. Just grab the edge of the column you want to tweak and pull it left or right until it looks just right to you. Maybe you want all your columns perfectly even, or maybe you need to make space for extra long labels in just one column. Take your time with this part. It can be a slight trial and error to get everything lined up how you want, especially if you have a lot of columns or varying data lengths. And that's basically it. Once you have your columns set the way you like, your table will look much neater and be far easier to read. If something doesn't look perfect on the first try, don't worry, you can always readjust anytime. Remember to hit save so your changes stick. Alright, thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you, go ahead and tap that like button. If you have any questions or if there's another Power BI trick you want to learn, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.